Are you a problem solver who can think on your feet? Do you like working with your hands and putting things together? If so, then a career at FASTSIGNS may be for you. As an installer, you'll play an important role in getting the finished signs or graphics in place so everyone can see it, in the ground, on a wall, on a vehicle, or hanging from a ceiling. You'll use a variety of tools to assemble, erect, and hang items, both inside and out. Fear of heights is not in your vocabulary. In fact, most of your days will be spent moving, lifting, and building for a wide variety of sign installations. FASTSIGNS is a well-known and respected global brand. We help businesses and organizations visually communicate. Virtually every business in every industry needs and uses signs, so you will get to see your work around town. You'll be in a fast-paced environment with a collaborative and supportive team. Every day is challenging and different, and you'll have the opportunity to continue to hone your skills by accessing a wide range of hands-on, in-person, and online training programs. When you work at an independently owned and operated FASTSIGNS location, you are working for a local business, typically with Monday through Friday business hours. Are you ready to bring your mechanical and construction skills on board and join an established brand? To learn more about opportunities or to apply for a position in a FASTSIGNS location, visit fastsigns.com/careers.